can't.
I'm good. I forgot to turn it on earlier and I was playing on battery and now I haven't charged it, so.
Yeah.
I'll charge it after this demo.
Came prepared.
Huh?
You came prepared, didn't you, man?
Yeah, I got plenty of belts back there.
Once in a while, I go back and try to help. I got the fence. Gotta remind myself, I'm that nigga. Every once in a while.
Huh? Yeah, I know. I'm gonna let it charge for a minute.
Man, that's outrageous, man. Those were 15s, right?
Yeah. And day 15. Apparently I broke a light and I broke belt. Once it gets below like 14, they kick on. They're not really on like full tilt, and then it really bogs down and they shred real easy. Yeah.
So that's why you do so many of them.
If I'd have been on the gas, it wouldn't have done that. But like I said, I was playing on battery earlier, and it got too low. So once it charges back up, it'll stay in the 15. Right now it's not. Right now it's start. Yeah, when I was playing earlier, it was all battery. I never turned the truck on. So now that it wants to charge, it pulls it too much and shreds them. I thought the truck was on, it wasn't. You know when we were messing with it? Yeah, the truck was on.